Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix EA Sports NHL 26 game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging or other issues on Xbox series. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart the game. So for that, you need to first select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller. After that, select quit option and finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next solution is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open settings, then select device and connections, then click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage and finally select clear persistent storage. So after this, check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next solution is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, select settings, choose network settings, then click on test network connection. Wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. Next method is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. After this, check if the problem is resolved. Next solution is to check for EA Sports NHL 26 update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated, because the developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues to improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and once the game is updated, check if the issue is fixed or not. Next solution is to clear EA Sports NHL 26 cache. So for that, first press Xbox guide, then click on my games and apps, then click on see all. Here search for the game, then press menu, then select manage game and add-ons, then tap on save data, then click on reserved space and finally tap on clear reserved space. So after this, check if the issue is fixed or not. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button on open guide. To open the guide, then click on settings under profile and system. Then next go to account, then remove accounts. Here select the account to remove and then select remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First, open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates. Here, check if any update is available and then click on update now to begin the updating process, and after that, see if it helps to resolve the problem. Next is to check storage space. So for that, first open Xbox button, then go to the profile and system and click on settings, then system and then storage option. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create some space to fix the issue. If not, next is to reinstall EA Sports NHL 26. For that, first open Xbox button controller, then move to my games and apps, select see all option. Here choose your game, then press menu button and then finally click on uninstall. After the game is removed, open the official website of the game and then download it, and after that again try to launch it and see if it helps now. If not, final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Just need to go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.